Facebook Live is for broadcasting live videos. So it's really most useful if you've got an event or an activity where you want to engage your audience in real time. I mean, if you just want to post a video or make a video, then you might as well use the video functionality that Misha talked about previously. But if you're out and about at an event, or you've got an activity going on and you want to broadcast about it, then that's where Facebook Live is really useful. So a few tips for Facebook Live. First of all, make sure you've got a really good mobile phone signal or a good Wi-Fi, because nothing worse than making a live broadcast and it keeps cutting out, or people can't see it or can't hear you. Prepare in advance a compelling description. So maybe, a couple of 100 words about what you're broadcasting, and you'll see why that's important a bit later. Also, if you've got followers, it's a good idea to tell people that you're broadcasting. So we're at this fundraising event, come along, and if you can't come along, we're going to be broadcasting, or come along and join our broadcast. Ask people to follow you, and then they'll be notified when you go live. So there's a follow button and they can follow you, and then they can see when you're live and start engaging with you. And then mention people who are making comments on your Facebook Live. So, and also if you get any questions, make sure that you answer them in the live session, because then people will engage more and follow you, and you'll get more and more followers on your Facebook Live broadcast. You must broadcast for a minimum of 4 seconds, but you can broadcast for up to 8 hours. So for example, NASA broadcast their 8-hour spacewalk using Facebook Live. So it's not just for instant short things. You can use it now to make long and compelling broadcasts. So if you want to run a Facebook Live video, once you've installed Facebook Pages Manager, you just need to tap on the publish icon, which should be on the first page. And then you'll see this red little camera. So you need to tap on the live video icon and then tap on live video. If you haven't used Facebook Pages Manager before, you may be asked by Facebook would like to access your camera. So you have to say okay, otherwise it won't work. So don't say don't allow, because then it won't be allowed to access your camera and start recording. So what happens is then you'll get a live video session opening up on your screen. So don't worry, this isn't actually recording at the moment. It's just ready to go. So one thing to bear in mind is I think it defaults to the camera facing towards you. So if you're doing a live broadcast, you might want to hold the phone and introduce it. So this is Marina Stedman, I'm at the Good Exchanges fundraising event. But then if you want to record something facing away from you, you have to tap on that camera with the arrows in to turn the camera away from you. Now this is where you need to add your description, why it was important to prepare it in advance. So I would suggest, preparing it, say, in notes or something on your phone, copy it, and then when you get to here, you can just paste it in. So what's your event about? And then you just tap on Start Live Video. You'll see the starting live video come up. And from there, you are actually recording, and you can see people engaging with you. You can put emoticons on, you can put your location on. So just start broadcasting and have fun. When you've finished, all you have to do is tap on the finish button on your phone, and you can see it's ending. Now, if you want to keep your video, you have to, first of all, make it public and then click on post. If you don't want to keep it, it's finished, you don't want anyone else to see it, press delete. So that live video, if you delete it, will only be available for 24 hours and then it will be gone.